Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this very cool product right here that's by the brand called ALOVA. And pretty much what it is an open ear headphone that it kind of goes through like your bones on the side of your ear to kind of like generate music, so that way you guys can still hear your surrounding, because it doesn't go into your ear, it actually goes to the side of your ear. And if you guys remember, I actually reviewed one of these products before in the past, but then this time is a little bit different and I feel like it's a little bit better because I was actually able to test it out already. But let me actually unbox it and show you guys what comes out the package first. So when you open the package, this is what you get inside, if you guys can see. So you get the actual headphone itself, you get a little thank you card, and then right here is all the accessories. So basically inside that box, they provide you this little user manual and a cable to charge the product. Use this micro USB to USB to charge it. But here is the headphone itself. You guys can see this is what it looks like. So basically when you guys put this on your ear, it'll feel really nice and really comfortable, and you guys can still hear your surroundings. So I'm gonna put this on right now to show you guys what it looks like. So essentially when you guys put it on, this is what it looks like. So if you guys look from the side on here, and then the side on this side, this is what it basically looks like. So it's not in your ear, you guys can see, it's literally on the side, so right there. So it still has a gap in the open area for your ear to actually hear your surroundings, but you guys can still hear the music. So obviously when you guys get these open ear headphones, that means the audio and the bass and everything won't be as good as when you guys are fully plugging in the device into your ear. So that's definitely one thing to consider. But this is definitely like a safety headphone, so you guys can still be aware of your surrounding, which is really important nowadays. So if you guys look over here, we have power on and power off, volume up, volume down buttons right here to turn on and on the product and whatnot. And then if you guys look right here in the bottom, this is where you have to plug in the little micro USB cable to charge the product up. So all you have to do is press this button in the middle for 5 seconds or roughly a few seconds, and then it should turn on. And then definitely one of the cool things about the setup of how you guys use this headphone is the fact that it actually is waterproof. And by waterproof, I mean like waterproof, not like chlorine proof and salt water or ocean waterproof where it has salt water. So if you guys use this in the rain or something, or just like pure water itself, then you guys will be fine and the product won't be damaged. But if you guys use this in like chlorine water or like salt water, then this product will be definitely damaged. And the cool thing about these is the fact that you can use this for your smart devices, for like their controls and whatnot, so like Siri and whatnot. And then the last and final thing to talk about this headphone is the fact of the battery life. How long does it last on one full charge, and how long does it take to charge? So on one full charge, it should last you around 5 to 6 hours using this product. Yes, that's kind of very little, but based off what you're getting from this product, 5 to 6 hours is actually enough, especially if you guys are just using this for like a daily run or some kind of activity. Then honestly, I don't think you guys need any more than that. But if you guys are on a work day or something, and you guys are doing a lot of work in the office or something, you guys work 8 hours, just use it for like 4 hours, go on a break, leave this charging on your outlet or something, and you can come back and use it for another 4 hours or 8 hours. Because the charging time for this product doesn't take that long either. Like I believe to fully charge this product, it doesn't take more than like half an hour, because the battery on here is pretty low and it doesn't use it for that long. So it shouldn't take you guys more than half an hour to fully charge the product from 0 to 100. So now that we talked about the product and show you guys what comes out the package, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it for $26. So for me, honestly, from my opinion, I have to say that it's worth it if you guys need it. And yes, I know how I said earlier, you guys won't hear the quality of the audio fully to its full extent because it's not in your ears, on the side of your ear. But this one, definitely you guys can hear a lot more of it, and it actually has a more powerful audio on the side of your ear compared to the other one that I've used in the past. But I do highly recommend getting one of these headphones if you guys want to be in the safety side. But if you guys want to have a better audio and better bass, then stick to your headphones that you guys are using. This one is a good alternative if you guys just want to be a little bit more safe and be aware of your surroundings a lot more while listening to your music, which is really handy nowadays. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have